Hello, Abusia, for you are warmly welcome once again. Today we are going to look at one of the popular soups we have in Ghana, goat meat and fresh fish light soup aponchin kakra. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, share and also tell us something at the comment section. Don't go anywhere. Enti said de meka ne pepepe ye be appointing fresh fish light soup. Enti we appointing and I left na efri na ta so ebesi ne kotodwe na fish so opa fresh fish. Enti said the etwa no so I'm going to steam it with blended and onion, ginger, garlic and all other natural spices you prefer. Enti no actually na me dey fresh tomato blended one kakra egu so. When tomato is in season, I prefer using fresh tomato for my soups. For light soup, I have a lot of them on this channel. You can go back and check the other recipes for me with dry fish, with meat, with chicken and so on. So one thing about light soup is you can use carrot alone and you can use garden eggs alone. You can combine the two and you use it in your light soup. Remember to add okra when you are cooking your fufu or you put it in your soup before it starts boiling. So as you can see, our soup is almost ready. Enye din kra. Inti hano na me fufu abin. Inti makofa me fufu machine. Ene jamedia wane kama. Na wanhwe fufu machine na troka sano. Ena yenkwan so abin kama. Inti midofo en deja wo kra brami ndidi. Misro kai ne hunu se oho ofe uyo ba usipisita ema obi anhye wo so je de wo betumi se oba tan afen so kwene hunu se aduane no eye ofe na wo konda bomoden ne di wudwan kakra ne ye bi ewufie na se de wo hunu no wanhwe ya bakase o we de ne yenye ya we de sesesi amewi entisa aduane no ne eden pa en ehia experience nso nti bomoden ne ya ye bi wufie emame ansana Femena agenity. Me that's a pass or share me. So I need me video you me show in your honko. Like it, share na afi, subscribe over kind. See you in our next video. Bye.